Make baon prep in the morning quicker with this Make Ahead Chicken Embutido. Naubusan ako ng breadcrumbs kaya ito, nag-toast na lang ako ng bread na nilagay ko sa food processor. We will need 1 cup of this para pang-bind ng embutido. Next, lagay na natin yung veggies sa food processor para hindi na tayo mag-chop. We need onions, carrots, and red bell peppers. Then, i-grind na natin yung chicken. Pwede kayong gumamit ng ground chicken meat na, but I prefer grinding my own using my meat grinder. Season the meat mixture with salt and pepper, sugar, and chicken powder. Syempre, pag embutido, dapat may pickle relish. Dahil medyo dry ang chicken meat, I added some butter and all-purpose cream para medyo moist yung embutido natin. Additional papalasa itong tomato paste. We'll also need 1 cup of breadcrumbs and 3 eggs as binder. Usually, ginagawa ko tong make ahead dishes pag marami akong time. Para in the morning, konting prito na lang and I don't have to wake up early para mag-food prep. Optional lang raisins if you want lang. At syempre, mas masarap pag maraming cheese. Next, i-roll na natin. Lagyan muna ng oil yung aluminum foil para hindi dumikit. Maliit lang yung steamer ko kaya maliit lang yung rolls na ginawa ko. Roll tightly pero wag naman sobra kasi baka mapunit naman. Seal it very well para hindi magtubig yung loob. Sa recipe na to nakagawa ako ng 6 rolls ng embutido. Steam for 35 minutes, let it cool before refrigerating. Pwede rin tong i-stock sa freezer up to 2 months. I like this kasi ang sarap and incorporated na yung veggies sa loob. Pwede nyo rin itong i-fry bago i-serve. That's it for her lunch. For her recess naman, meron akong cold champorado sa ref. Yes, mas gusto niya tong cold and kulang pa daw yung nilagay ko. Lagyan ko ng condensed milk on top para mas masarap. Banana for her fruit, cheese whiz pandesal para mas heavy sa tummy. Hindi siya madali magugutom sa school. And yung granola energy ball na ginawa ko before. Kayo mga mi, anong baon ng kids nyo today?